Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Facts Box. Today, we are going to see some of the interesting and unknown facts of astronauts. Let's begin the part 1 video of astronauts. More men than women. This is because the threshold of exposure to space radiation is lower for women than it is for men. So, this becomes a health hazard for women. First human to make a space trip was the Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin, traveling on April 12, 1961 aboard the ship Vostok 1. He took a walk around our planet at a speed of 27,400 km per hour, lasting 108 minutes. NASA MMU backpack, also called Manned Maneuvering Unit. This is a 140 kg propulsion backpack that allows astronauts of the Space Shuttle to fly freely. How do astronauts urinate? For short-term expeditions they use special diapers called mag. For long trips, the ships have special toilets that operate at zero gravity. Space grooming. Almost all the water astronauts consume in space is carried from Earth, so they have to ration this precious resource very well. Therefore, instead of taking a shower, they lather up with a damp cloth. Fire-resistant suits made of heat-resistant synthetic materials. This model of suit does not burn or melt when in contact with flames. Orlan suit. This Russian suit model allows astronauts to be out of station for more than 7 hours, when they invest in installing new equipment or carrying out repair work. Health consequences of space travel. Astronauts often lose muscle mass. Sometimes their faces are swollen. They suffer from loss of bone density. More than 1% per month in space. They face difficulty in walking and performing normal actions after their return. Training for spacewalks. Training for spacewalks is usually conducted underwater. As explained by NASA, due to weightlessness of floating, experts consider this type of practice as the best way to undergo test from Earth. Valentina Vladimirovna Tereshkova was born on the 6th of March 1937 and was the first female astronaut in history. She completed 48 orbits around the Earth in 3 days of mission in space. Russian customs. Russia sends armed astronauts on space travel. The purpose of this custom is only for the sake of protection and safety for the pilots, since, in the case of landing in a desert area or in the middle of the forest, the astronauts can defend themselves against an animal attack. Growing in space. The decreased pressure on the spine, due to the absence of gravity, increases astronauts' height by approximately 5 centimeters. Space golf. Astronaut Alan Shepard, crew member of Apollo 14, played golf on the moon's surface. On his third strike attempt, he sent the ball so far that its whereabouts are unknown. Restrictions on board. No granulated food such as salt, pepper or sugar is allowed in the halls. As an alternative, salt and pepper are served in liquid form. The heart changes. After long periods of time traveling through space, an astronaut's heart becomes almost 10% more spherical. According to experts, this is due to the exposure of microgravity over an extended period of time. This becomes a problem, as it can lead to heart problems. The nails fall off. Spacesuit gloves are very heavy and bulky and therefore directly affect astronauts' fingernails. Some astronauts have even pulled out their own nails before starting the journey, to avoid injury and possible infections. If you find my video informative and interesting, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.